Hey guys, and welcome back to the Silco Customs YouTube channel. Between Truck It and the hill climb and everything like that, we haven't really had a chance to make many of these videos, but now we're back. Shocking, I know. Speaking of shocks, this is the King suspension. It's the coil-over front shock, and this video is going to give us a chance to strut our stuff a little bit, maybe flex our knowledge. And for those of you that haven't hucked their device across the room in a fit of rage at those horrible puns, welcome to the YouTube channel. So we got these out of the box because we're going to be putting it on an 07 Plus Toyota Tundra. So these King shocks, you'll definitely recognize this logo if you make a habit of crawling under any Baja trucks or anything purpose-built. The company opened up in 1996, but well before that, Lance King was designing and building shocks for racers and hardcore off-roaders. The company came from humble beginnings as Lance designed and machined parts and employed his sons to actually help with the sales and operations of the company. One of them actually was a welder for the company. They've definitely grown from their small 3-person family operation, and their product lines have actually grown into much more lines than they originally had. These lines serve many customer segments from the OEM truck all the way up to the custom builders. So if you're looking at one of their OEM kits, which we've got here, this is going on an already lifted Toyota Tundra. And the OEM kit is completely bolt-on and will take the place of your shocks. You can put them on a stock vehicle and they'll increase your wheel travel by up to about 25% in the front and 15% in the rear if you take the adjustable kit all the way up to about 2.5 inches, which is the 2.5 inch lift. So if you're looking for the same stance that you already have, but would like an upgrade in performance, maybe you need to take a look at the King website. Again, these reservoirs are actually used to keep all the fluid in here cool. If you're doing long days of off-road punishment, the fluid will foam up like root beer in a normal shock, but you want to make sure that that's not happening, so adding more fluid and giving the fluid a place to go is a great way to do it. So maybe if you went for the strut spacer originally on your lift kit, or you went for kind of a middle-of-the-road shock and you're looking for better performance, then these are something that you'll definitely want to take a look at. Also, if you've got an OEM truck and you want a new level of performance but want it to still fit in your garage, definitely take a look at these. If you could, please give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and go ahead and leave any questions in the comment section below, and we'll talk to you guys soon.